Stan, quick question. How chunky can milk get before it goes bad?
If it's chunky, it's bad.
I see. How long till it's cheese?
Stan Durko, life coach.
There's a mouse in my condo.
Well, just get a trap and...
Wait. It's not a mouse, it's my remote. Ugh.
Hello?
Someone's trying to break into my place.
You sure you didn't just leave the TV on?
Maybe. The burglar does sound like Pat Sajak.
Answer that and you die.
Hey, Doc. Can you open this for me?
You came all the way here for this?
Yeah, I'm making breakfast. Toast. I hear it's good. Geez, you look rough.
Well, somebody kept me up all night with annoying phone calls.
Ah, I hate telemarketers. Hey, why'd you stop answering my calls last night?
Because a life coach isn't supposed to help you with every little, there's a mouse in my TV. I got bumpy cheese. I'm a big picture guy, Millie. Don't you have anybody else you can call on?
Nope. I don't have a lot of close friends.
Oh, they get tired of your wild emotional swings and they bail on you.
No. Just get bored and lose interest, but thanks for making me feel self-conscious. You need help with that?
Well, if you could, why...
Huh! I just assumed I couldn't do it. If you need any more help, you know where I am, huh?
Excuse me, you're parked in my space.
How do I know this is your space? It doesn't have your name on it.
It says landlord, that's me.
It doesn't say landlord.
Well, it should.
Take it up with the owner of the building.
I do own the building.
Hey, lady, move your ass!
So, it's a big surprise. Door of a chocolate factory? Oh, ice cream factory? Speed dating.
Well, think of it as a friend factory. You go on a bunch of different dates, bunch of different guys, but each one only lasts 7 minutes.
I see. All right. Could you just excuse me for a minute? I just have to go kill myself.
Well, come on, this is perfect for you.
This is all very, very sweet. But the truth is, I met someone. His name's Poncho. Paunch, I call him. Has a bit of a paunch. Crazy jealous, so I better.
Come on, you don't have to marry any of these guys. Just talk to them. Maybe you make a new friend.
Well, it would be nice to have more friends. Ones that don't ignore my calls.
I didn't ignore the first 30 calls. I only ignored the last 12.
All right, all right. But the second one of these perv burgers looks at me cockeyed, it's sayonara, senorita.
I've had it with the people in this building. Everyone is so rude. You would think as landlord I would get a little respect.
You're the landlord?
Why does nobody know that?
You know, when my dad first wanted my mom to notice him, he threw this huge party so she could see what a big shot he was. And it worked. They were together almost 3 years.
I just had an idea. I could throw a party for the people here. Then everyone would know who I was.
That was my idea. You just stole it.
Except I don't have time to plan parties.
Well, I could do it. I do like 1 million parties a year.
Okay, party girl. Get on it.
Finally, something fun to do with this stupid job. Sorry, I didn't mean stupid. I meant boring.
Oh. Hi, I'm Millie. Before we start, I think you should know that I briefly studied Krav Maga, a form of Israeli street fighting, so any false moves and hi-yah! Whoa, mustache. Next! Have you tried these almonds? They're good. Do you want to see how many I can stuff in my mouth?
like to sit down?
Oh, no, I'm just here watching over a client of mine. She's doing better than I thought.
Clients, so you're a lawyer?
No, a life coach. A fully married life coach.
Ooh, a doctor.
Technically, no, I have to go stand by that thing outside.
What did I say, huh? What did I say?
Hey, Sugar Tush. What's going on?
Sexual harassment?
You wish. Hey, party invitations. I'll just take mine now. Save the trouble of mailing it later.
You're not on the list.
What? Joyce, what's the dealio? How come I'm not invited to your party?
Because you annoy me. And it's for building tenants only. I should have said that one first. Oh, well.
That's crapola. I'm here all the time.
Maybe next time.
I wouldn't hold my breath for next time either.
Oh, big man. Wouldn't be so big if you weren't so big.
Okay, so this wasn't my greatest idea.
He's just mad because I dropped his keys down the toilet. But the speed dating was fantastic. As soon as you're sick of one schlep, ding, another putt sits right down. It's like the whole world should be broken down into 7-minute chunks.
Well, this is great. You meet any new friends?
7-minute parades, 7-minute movies.
Any 7-digit numbers?
If they could figure out a way to condense all the Harry Potter movies into one 7-minute chunk, are you kidding me?
I need the company credit card.
What do you need the card for?
To pay for the ice sculpture. I'm having the Haddison House logo done. Trey Class A.
What happened to the money that I gave you this morning?
I used it to hire the magician.
Magician? Why would you hire a magician?
Because clowns are terrifying.
Okay, let's scale this thing back, cancel the ice sculpture, fire the magician.
I'm gonna need that deposit back.
Deposit? I don't remember any.
What was that?
That was supposed to be a smoke pellet.